class, we're going to be talking about how to prepare a brand new hand plane right out of the box, ready to use for sharpening or any woodworking operations. So, first things first. Unboxing Wood River bench plane, smoothing plane. You'll notice that there is packaging that it comes in. It also has this plastic bag. The plastic bag is obviously to protect it from what is going to be the biggest killer of hand planes, which is not overuse, but it is rust. So the plastic bag helps to protect it when it's in transit, when it's in shipping, but also sitting on a shelf before somebody gets it to their bench, to their shop. The other part of protection that every hand plane has is a layer of grease, and the grease is here to do the same thing. It creates that second layer of barrier between the steel and the humidity in the atmosphere that would otherwise oxidize or rust the metal. So this is going to be murder on any wood that you would use this tool over, because that grease is going to get into the pores of the wood, very difficult to pull back out, and you'll never see it until it's too late. So what we need to do is remove the lever cap from the plane. We need to remove the iron and the chip breaker. We'll loosen up or separate those two out, and then we have covered with grease, a little slippery. Getting rid of those. Next thing we need to do is get a solvent. In this case, because we're working with grease, mineral spirits is the appropriate choice. We could also use acetone. Dries a little bit faster, but we want to make sure to get rid of all of this material. Alright, so good coverage here. Just scrubbing these things down. I'm going to remove all of the stuff on all the moving parts, anything that could be exposed to or anything that may make contact with the material, the wood material. Sharp blade here, so I'm being cautious direction that I'm pushing as I'm doing this, but once I've done that, don't forget the lever cap as well. I also need to get inside the plane here, in and around the frog, the area here of the mouth of the plane. This grease is very good at protecting the wood, but any risk of having this make contact with the wood itself is going to be something that we deeply regret. Alright, that's decent. Happy with that. Because the mineral spirits is going to dry relatively slow, so I'm going to let this dry before I start the sharpening process. And then I'm going to lay this out flat over the edge of something so that instead of balling it up, leaving it into a trash can where it could combust, I want to make sure that I spread this out to protect myself and my shop. Thank you very much. See you.